Hello students, this session is for class 8th, chapter 5, data handling. In continuation with the previous video for exercise 5.1, in which we have done question number 3 and we have made the frequency distribution table using the tally marks. Now in continuation we have question number 4 where we have to draw a histogram based on the above frequency distribution table. So I will tell you today how to draw a histogram. I have taken a graph sheet and drawn the XY axis on this. So we will label it. This is the X axis, this is the Y axis, this is the origin, the 0 point, and we have to take the weekly wages on the X axis. So these are the weekly wages being shown on the X axis to be written here, and here it will be number of workers. Since our frequency ranges from 1 to 9, on the Y axis we can take the figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. And on the X axis we have to take the class intervals, which starts from 800, and with a gap of 10 it will go up to 900. So it will be 800, then 810, 820. Thus on X axis I have drawn up to 900. Each square is taken as 1 unit. Now I have to draw one kink here. This break is to be drawn because from 0 directly we are taking the value 800. Now for the first class interval, the frequency is, this frequency has to be plotted. 3, 2, 1, 9 and so on. So for first it is 3. I am marking it like this. Then for second class interval it is 2. I am marking it like this. For third interval it goes to 9. For 820 to 830 it is 1, and from 830 to 840 it will be 9, and next 840 to 850 it is 5, and so on. We will mark up to 900. Then I am drawing the bars, and these bars will be continuous because we are drawing the histogram. Any other class intervals are continuous. So likewise I will do for all the bars. Thus the histogram is done. So these are all the necessary parts that we must show in the graph. Now there are some questions based on it. Which group has the maximum number of workers? Now we can see that the tallest bar shows us the maximum number of workers, that is 9 workers. So answer to part A will be the class interval 830 to 840. Second question is, this is part 1. Then part 2 is, how many workers earn rupees 850 and more? So 850 is this one, 850 to 860. So 850 and more are this. So it is 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 workers earn 850 or more rupees. And how many workers earn less than rupees 850? Since we have total 30 workers, so this interval, all these values of y-axis shown from 800 to 850 will be coming under this. So since 10 are earning more than 850, so 30 minus 10, that is 20, will be earning less than 850. So these are the answers to question number 4. Thank you.